Hey guys, it's Melissa. In this video, we are going to get quick and to the point on installing Affinity for free. This is a brand new offering from Canva, who now owns Affinity. I already did a video on why they are doing this, so if you haven't seen that, go back and check it out. In this one, we are going to get right to it. We are going to start at Sffinity.studio. Not even .com at the end, just Sffinity.studio, and that is where we are going to begin the downloads. We're going to hop over to the computer and I'm going to show you exactly how this works.
Okay, so let's just do sign up to download. I am going to continue with a new account. Okay, I'm just literally going to start a new account as if I don't have Canva already. Okay, so I'm going to click continue with a new one. I'm going to say continue with my email, and I'm going to use an email address that I haven't used before. We're creating my account. See, this is brand new. Okay, they're sending me a code. Let me check for my code. Literally free. You saw that. Okay, so now I have a Mac, so I'm going to download. Now, if I want to put this on my PC, which I also have several PCs, I can do that too. iPad's coming soon. I mean, this is crazy. All right, so now what do you do? So I'm going to go to my Finder, and I'm just going to go to Downloads, and it's downloading here. So we'll get that in a second as soon as it's finished downloading. All right, and just going to double click. And here I am on a Mac, and you might be wondering, now what? You literally do what it says. You just pull it over here. Okay, and then I like to open up my applications folder, and I'm going to go up here, and you can see I have Affinity Designer. I've had it for about 3.5 years, and now I have Affinity. So let's launch Affinity and see what this is. We can close all of this out. It's bouncing down the bottom. You probably can't see it. I think it's off of there. Okay, we're going to say open. So this is downloaded on your computer. You don't need to be connected to your computer. So I'm going to do log in. Wants to use my Canva login. So remember what we logged in with. Yep. Now, I'll do another video on what you get if you already have, if you have an upgraded Canva plan. Okay, I agree to share my usage, so you need to agree to this. Your usage data can help us shape improvements and performance only if you agree. Agreeing does not allow us to use this data for AI. We can make those choices later in account settings. All right, so you can either agree or disagree. All right, and you can start a tutorial if you want, or you can start creating. So let's just say we want to make an A3. Okay, so vector is available, pixel is available, layout is available, and AI is where you're not going to be able to use this unless you have Canva Pro, all right, or the upgraded Canva. But this is what we're going to be able to do, and I'm going to show you, and I have other videos on this, on how to use Canva to make Roland cut lines, and so I will link to that video so you can see how to pull the Roland color profiles in so that you can easily make the cut lines right here in Affinity. And this is, as I said, a huge game changer, especially for those of us who have Macs and a Roland BN2, where it no longer, while it does come with Flexi Designer, which is free for cut lines, unfortunately though, Flexi Designer is not supported on Mac. So then we're kind of left with this, do we pay for another software? Do we try to figure out how to use it, how to get those cut lines another way? And Affinity has always been the easiest way. I do pair it with Silhouette Business Edition just for the vectorizing and the tracing, but I'm going to see if this Affinity version actually traces better, and you might be able to use this as a standalone, and it being free, I mean, I don't know how much better you can get from there. So I have a whole playlist. We'll start with how to add the cut lines, the color profiles for Roland to Affinity, and I'll meet you guys over there. You also offer personalized help and one-on-one support, same-day email help as well. That is all done through Silhouette, and I will link to that in the description below.